Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we'll look at a case study from our partner Tollematic within the food and beverage industry for a cutting, chopping and slicing application. In this video, we'll look at the backstory, the challenge the company faced, the solution and the customer benefits. The application is a mobile cutting, chopping and slicing system that could be utilized for various products around the factory floor. The challenge was faced within the food and beverage industry from a producer of sausage and salami rolls, paninos, pancetta, pepper shooters and mortadella. They required a 2-axis washdown electric actuator that could apply the speed and force required to cut, slice and chop the various products. The solution was an ERD, low-cost electric actuator with the guided option GD2. The GD2 option allows further support for the application assembly. The ERD electric actuator series is the perfect alternative to pneumatic cylinders for automating manual processes. It's compatible with many NEMA steppers and servo motors to create a flexible, powerful, yet cost-effective electric solution over traditional pneumatic cylinders. The ERD has other features from 3 body sizes, ball and acme screws, force capabilities up to 2.2 kilonewtons, stroke lengths up to 610 millimeters, guided and anti-rotate options, IP67 and IP69K protection, and an all-stainless steel body option. The customer found lots of benefits from this change, including the flexibility to vary the size of the slices and the cutting force, depending on the product being cut. And the mobile all-electric devices are easy to move locations on the factory floor. Thank you for watching this video. If you're interested in this product or have a similar system, please feel free to contact us with the information on the screen or in the description. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay in the loop with all of our videos.